Hey, what's up? Welcome to DGen Ed. That's degenerative education, meaning none of this is financial advice. Just me having fun looking at charts like the chart behind me, which is of Velo3D, ticker symbol VLD. And so I wanted to go over this today on Wednesday, March 27th, during market hours. Current price is right around 34.39 cents, being down a whopping 40% so far during trading hours. And so the reason for that is because Velo3D reported earnings yesterday, March 26th, during the after hours, and that is why price dropped. So it looks like they missed on their earnings per share with an estimate of being negative 8 cents. Their result was actually negative 29 cents. So not so good there. And that does explain the big drop. And also, it is not too surprising that there was a drop following this earnings announcement, and that is because price was going up a lot before earnings. So whenever you see a stock going up before earnings, that is basically a buy the rumor, sell the news type of event. And so people are buying leading up to earnings. When earnings come out, everybody drops the shares, price drops. The exact opposite can happen if price is going down before earnings. That could be a buy the news event and price does shoot up. So earnings can be pretty tough to predict, but there are little signs, and here we did have a clear one that price was rising before earnings and also hitting resistance. In the last couple videos that I did on Velo3D, I pointed out this level at 32 cents as well as this level up here at 60 cents. And so that level was based on this gap down that we saw, whereas the line at 32 cents just seemed like it had acted as resistance a number of times. And so I felt that was a good dip buying opportunity. And I did have an order placed at 32 cents. We did hit that price on March 13th, hitting a low of 32 cents. But for me, my order was not filled. And so rather than chasing it, I just waited to see if 32 cents would be filled. Price started going up. We did get some consolidation, looking like bull flags on the way up. But then on the 26th, so on earnings day, we did get a wick up to a high of 62 cents, so being just 2 cents above this level that I had pointed out. And so I did not have a position, but to me, that would have been a sell signal because we hit the level, we hit the target, got a nearly 100% move. Let's see, going from 32 cents up to there, that's almost a 90% move. And so with that being said, that's a pretty good swing. And price is down more than 41% during trading hours so far. However, the day is not over. But interesting level we did hit during trading hours. The low so far for the day was 32 cents. And so you might ask, are you buying? For me, this could be a falling knife. So while I do think the stock is a steal at 32 cents, this could go much lower. This could be a falling knife. I don't want to cut myself trying to catch it, so I'm going to wait, see what happens. If 32 does hold as the low, then maybe I'd be interested. But I do see this white downtrend. Price could be coming down to 30 cents. I believe I did mention that in one of the previous videos. So yeah, I do think that this is one to just kind of wait and see what happens, see where this settles out at. Maybe 32 is the bottom, and that is another great dip buying opportunity for another swing, but it could go lower, like to 30 cents, if not lower than that. So for me, I'm on the sidelines, but I'm going to keep an eye on it and see what happens because I do believe in the company doing 3D printing of metals, working with industry. I think there's a lot of potential. And at 32 cents a share or lower, I think it's a steal, and I think there's a lot of upside potential. But I'm, glad I did not get into it, and I was disciplined waiting for 32 to be hit, which did not get filled. And so, now I'm on the sidelines. But I should mention, since we did hit 32 already, if we don't go lower than that, we do have this gap up with the low from the 26th being at a price of 50.5 cents. Maybe that would be getting filled. And from current price, that does represent a 45% swing. So maybe that is something of interest. But like I said, I'm going to wait to see where this settles in case it is a falling knife. But, those are just my thoughts. If you found them helpful, make sure you like the video, share your thoughts in the comments down below, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks a lot for watching.